This graphic designer's portfolio will blow your mind in 60 seconds. Meet Kunal Ahuja, the certified designer behind Creative Designs, whose vibrant visual style has captivated clients across industries. From branding to illustration, his work speaks volumes about creativity without boundaries. Look at these stunning designs for Leave Tours and DJ Vicrooks. Notice how each captures the client's unique essence. Kunal transforms concepts into visual masterpieces for cafes, cosmetics brands, and wineries alike. His collaborative approach ensures your vision comes to life with professional precision and artistic flair. Every pixel has purpose, every color tells a story. Want to see more? Check out the Creative Designs YouTube channel for in-depth breakdowns of these projects and fresh content weekly. Follow along for design tips, behind-the-scenes looks, and inspiration for your next visual project. Connect through the links below and discover how your brand can stand out with Creative Designs.